Oh, look at him go.
I fixed to lose my push though.
You might be able to get the car moved now. That's probably about the dumbest thing you ever done.
Daddy.
Here, video daddy.
Daddy.
Video him getting it out of the trailer. Well, the old Maniac motor's coming out. It's time to be freshened. It's got, I don't know, probably getting close to 30 races, I guess, on it now. 25 to 30. So, we're going to pull it out today, take it to AJ, that Ferguson head and block repair, and hopefully he can get it freshened in time for the tri-state race at Thunder Hill. It's, what is it, 19th? So what it is, 19th next month?
At April? Or
Yeah.
March? I don't know.
No, April.
Huh? This is April.
Yeah, May. 19th of May.
Yeah, May.
But somewhere right around the 19th, I ain't real sure, but whatever Saturday is right in there, but
I said March, and he
About
said
a-
April. I said this is April.
about a month away. But anyway, we're gonna get it out and get it to him. Maybe he can find about 50 horsepower in it somewhere.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Both head gaskets blown.
Yeah, cam down.
Cam down a lobe or something. That'd be awesome.
But I don't know. Motor,
Actually, it wouldn't be awesome because we had to buy a new cam, but
yeah,
it would be pretty cool.
no, it's so motor runs good. So for now, we're gonna freshen it. We want to try a crate motor, but we ain't got the budget for one right now, so we're gonna freshen this and then run it at least the rest of this year anyway. But anyway, y'all hang out with us. We're gonna get this thing out of here. Got the header off, or started pulling it off. He noticed it was broke all the way around. That's definitely not good. Hopefully we can get somebody welded up. I don't know. Headers are expensive, so
Yeah.
these headers are actually in good shape. I don't know why it broke like
About
that.
$600 a piece.
Let's see it.
Huh?
Let's see it.
I thought it was about $1,200.
Nah, depending on what you buy, you
Like
can get them.
good ones.
You can get them cheaper than
We don't like cheap stuff though.
that. Yeah, right. We live off cheap stuff.
Yep.
But anyway, he got everything off the front of the motor. Got one header off. This thing should be ready to come out of here in just a few minutes. It's ready to come out, so he says. Y'all take bets right now. Has he got everything loose, or has he forgot something?
I ain't forgot nothing. It's all loose.
It's probably gonna be a job once this thing comes out, rolling the motor out from under his car on this gravel. But
Sideways.
we'll figure something out. If the post office ever give Dylan a raise, he might build us a shop.
Yeah. Seriously.
Justin Ray, you listening? Hey, you got a
jack under the transmission?
no a scotch behind the wheel?
Nope. Fixing to take off down the hill.
It might not roll anyway, but it'd feel better if we had something behind it.
It would. What do you think? Down, up, backwards?
You're going to come frontwards with it. Somehow, or backwards with the car one.
I'll have to what?
The motor's going to have to come forward or the car backward
I
one.
know that.
You sure you didn't leave a bolt in the bell housing over here on the bottom? It ain't moving right there.
Transmission up and move the car. Then pull my Ranger in under it. That way I ain't gotta move this.
You can't move the car.
You're right, I can't. I gotta get it out somehow.
Yeah, that's gonna be the worst part. Hey, oh, whoop, 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 whoop. Well, never mind, it come unplugged.
What was it?
You didn't have everything.
What was it?
The distributor.
It come unplugged.
Yeah.
That ain't good, probably.
I don't think it hurt nothing.
Huh?
I don't think it hurt nothing.
All the way unplugged?
Yeah. Just pulled the plug out. Well,
You need to wash this thing.
it's out of there. Now we just gotta figure out how to get the cherry picker motor away from the car.
Stick things right on. Think it's gonna have to have 2 strands on it?
Nah, it'll probably hold it. It's probably gonna drop down a little bit. What are you doing? Thought you had it.
I did too.
Now let's just hope the motor don't fall over when it comes out of here.
Quit saying stupid stuff.
Need though. You're going there and holler, Papa will come out here and, or Haley actually, instead of Papa. Oh, look at him go.
I fixed to lose my push though.
You might be able to get the car moved now. That's probably about the dumbest thing you ever done. All I can say is if you got a shop, count your blessings.
For real.
It's out of there. Time to head back to Maniac headquarters and see if the Chief Maniac can freshen this thing up for us. Alright, it's in the truck. Means we out of commission for a few weeks at least. Hopefully we'll have it back for the tri-state race. We got about a month before it, so maybe we'll get it back by then. But anyway, that's gonna wrap us up here. We'll probably make another video when we put it back in, but y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.